Howdy everybody, this is Grapevine with Uptown 101, and hey, we're about to do a detailed walkthrough of the St. Andre. This is the two-bedroom of the St. Andre. This is what the hallway looks like, by the way. Really clean, really nice. You've got some interesting carpet here. This is kind of cool. It's kind of like little ridges and then black. It's very, very different and kind of fun. All right, but let's walk into the St. Andre, and this is keyless entry, so let's walk in. And it's just delightful. It really is. I've already previewed this. It looks so good. But I mean, look at this kitchen. This kitchen is so perfect. How could you not like this? There's no one that I know that would not like this. This is amazing. Okay, first of all, you got a great island here, and you know they got 4 chairs. That's probably about right. 4 chairs, so you don't even really need a table. You can just always use this island, and you have all the seating you need. You've also got these wonderful cabinets all around. They've done such a good job with these cabinets. They're perfectly around the appliances too, and you can see that, and then that over there, it's around the fridge so nicely. Just beautiful cabinets, so obviously plenty of storage. You've also got gas to cook with, very important, and an exhaust system as well, so super, super cool, just beautiful. This is just a really simple white tile, but that's beautiful. And then you've got even more cabinets, by the way, over here on the island. It's just gorgeous. Now, the rest is also fun. You do have a beautiful living room area, and it's just perfect because you can make it what you want. They put a kind of a mini sectional here, and that's good. You can do other things as well, and I like it that they also put a desk here, so you can be working from here. Now you do have co-working areas also in the building, so you can go do there if you want to be around people. But man, isn't this beautiful? By the way, some great views over here, just great windows. You're gonna get. This is actually the third floor. That that fence, the brick that's there, or fence, is just really covering the pool. It's more for your privacy. But on the other side, you can see there's the pool. So we'll cover that in a minute. But that's the pool over there. This would be a great floor to be on, but there's other good floors too. Okay, so this is the living room and kitchen detailed walkthrough. Now we're going to go another video, and it's going to be part 2. We're actually going to go into the bedroom and the bathroom. So we're just about to start that. Go to the next video, and you'll love it.